Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing the onion and ginger hair mask for extreme hair growth. Yes guys, you heard me right. This stops hair breakage, helps with healthy and thicker hair. In fact, it has a lot of benefits which I'll be leaving on the screen for you guys to see. So now let's get started. First, I'm just going to dice the ginger up like this and peel off the skin. So after peeling off, I'm going to peel off the onion skin too, then wash them in clean water. Now I will dice them up into tiny bits. She's in my place. She wants to be with me when she's feeling high rate. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. Then transfer into a blender or a food processor to blend it. So here I added a bit of water for easy blending. It has been blended, so this is the consistency I got. The next step is to strain it with a strainer or a sieve to get at the ginger and onion juice. They want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So this is the leftover shaft and this is the juice I got at. So here I'm just going to add a bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice. I'm adding a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I will also add coconut oil, a tablespoon also. Here I decided to also add a tablespoon of my avocado homemade oil. As you can see, my coconut oil is frozen due to the weather, where I might just heat it up to melt. So now let's apply it. So guys, I'm just going to show you all a snippet of how I apply my ginger and onion mixture on my hair. Do not mind my hair, I just took off a cornrow. So I'm going to be showing you a short video, not really a detailed video, on how to apply it and when to wash it off. So this is my mixture. I just need a cotton bud. Is it called a cotton bud or whatever this is called? And touch it. Then I dab gently on the scalp. It is good to use this mask at least once or twice a month for better results. Guys, do not bother about the smell. You know, the mixture of onion and ginger, it's not so bad, especially adding those oil. It reduces the smell a bit, and with thorough washing with a nice shampoo, you will not perceive it anymore. As for people with sensitive scalp, you might want to be careful about this. Anyway, that's why the oil is good. It reduces the, should I call it, acidity. So after applying it like this, just cover for about 30 minutes before washing off. And you know what I will do with the leftover of my mixture? I'm going to add in my shampoo in here, mix it and wash my hair with it, then wash off thoroughly with a conditioner, so the smell goes off. So guys, that is literally all for this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.